Good day, sir. I will discuss the Annex 3 pertains to Regulation 1 to 4. Annex 3 Regulation for the prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried by sea in package form. First, Regulation 1 Application. Unless expressly provided otherwise, the regulation of this annex apply to all ships carrying harmful substances in package form. Regulation 2. The carriage of harmful substances is prohibited except in accordance with the provision of this annex. Regulation 3. To supplement the provisions of this annex, the government of each party to the convention shall issue or cause to be issued detailed requirement on packing, marking, labeling, documentation, stowage, and quantity limitations, and exceptions for preventing or minimizing pollution of the marine environment by harmful substances. Lastly, Regulation 4. For the purpose of this annex, empty packagings which have been used previously for the carriage of harmful substances shall themselves be treated as harmful substances unless adequate precautions have been taken to ensure that they contain no residue that is harmful to the marine environment. That's all, sir. Thank you.